Hey, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk about the Duracell Optimum batteries. These are the double A's. They also come in triple A's. I've been using these for about 2 years now and have found that they are the longest lasting that I've been able to find. I use a lot of these batteries in my smart locks for my shop and my house, which uses a lot more power than like remotes and things like that because it actually has to move a mechanism. I've had this last set in my doors for my shop and my house for about a year, maybe even a little more. I can't remember exactly, but they've lasted this entire time and worked extremely well. Show you here how I install them. Let's first take them out of the package. They are, this is a 16 pack. They have some packs that are actually resealable where you can take them out and then it kind of seals back over it. My door for the shop here takes 4 batteries, and we're going to change those out. Okay, with these smart door locks like I use here, you literally just take the cover off, and don't mind it being a little bit dirty. This is the shop, so I can't control that much. And then this just slides out, and you have your batteries. As you can see, I've got the Duracell Optimum batteries in there, and these are listed as a premium battery. I'll take those out, throw them over there. I'll just put the new ones in. Now, as you can see, I can hit the lock button, and it has to move that mechanism, which uses a lot more power than a remote control or other things like that that you may use these batteries for. And I think that this is a huge upgrade in batteries for this type of thing because they last longer and you don't have to worry about changing them to get in your house. I really like these batteries and really think that you would benefit from them also in your electronics and find that they last a lot longer than a lot of the batteries you get. If you want to pick up some for yourself, click down in the description below, get some on Amazon.